Bonjour à tous, comment allez-vous? J'espère que vous allez bien. Good morning all, how are you doing? Hope you are doing fine. Welcome to Learn French with Awolowo Hood. I'm so glad to be here again to teach you how to conjugate the present tense of second group verbs. Second group verbs are verbs that end with IR, and to conjugate them you have a specific pattern. So mastering this verb will help you to express yourself effectively and to make you to be a pro in French. So let's get started. The objective of this video is that at the end of this video, learners should be able to conjugate second group verb in present tense. Now, to conjugate this verb, you need to know the type of verb. The second group verb ends with IR. For example, finir to finish, choisir to choose, grandir to grow, obéir to obey, bâtir to build, guérir to heal. Now, to conjugate this verb very well, you need to know the ending and the stem. So for the ending, you have is. Is goes with je or tu or il or elle. So when you get to know, the ending of that verb will not be I-double-S-O-N-S. Remember, for the first group verb, you can see the verb that go with no end with O-N-S. But for this second group verb, you need to add I-S-S before adding O-N-S. For vous, the ending will be I-double-S-E-Z. For il and elle, the ending will be I-double-S-E-N-T. Now, what you are putting in the middle is the stem. Let's look at the stem of some verb. Finir. The stem is what? Fin. Choisir, choix. Grandir, grand. Obéir, obey. Bâtir, bat. Guérir, guérir. So these stems are the stem that you are going to be putting the ending. Now, let's look at some verb. Let's conjugate some verb. I'm not going to conjugate all the verbs that end with IR because they are very long. So you can get more information by checking the dictionary or by going online to get more information. So the first verb we are going to look at here is punir. Punir means to punish. You have je punis, I punish. Tu punis, ou elle punit, nous punissons, vous punissez, ou elle punit. I'm not going to talk about the ending because I already said it earlier. The ending of each verb. So, and you have it in color yellow. So the next verb is grossir. Grossir is to gain weight. Je grossis, tu grossis, ou elle grossit, nous grossissons, vous grossissez, ou elle grossit. Réfléchir, to reflect or to think. Je réfléchis, tu réfléchis, ou elle réfléchit, nous réfléchissons, vous réfléchissez, ou elles réfléchissent. Bâtir, je bâtis, tu bâtis, ou elle bâtit, nous bâtissons, vous bâtissez, ou elle bâtit. So bâtir is to build. The next verb is choisir. Choisir means to choose. If you want to say I choose, you say je choisis, tu choisis, ou elle choisit, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, ou elles choisissent. Grandir, je grandis, tu grandis, ou elle grandit, nous grandissons, vous grandissez, ou elles grandissent. Finir, je finis, tu finis, ou elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ou elles finissent. Ralentir, to slow down, je ralentis, tu ralentis, ou elle ralentit, nous ralentissons, vous ralentissez, ou elle ralentit. Now, these are all the verbs that I want to conjugate in this video. So let's look at some sentences. Example, je finis mon travail. Je finis mon travail. I finish my work. Tu choisis un livre. Tu choisis un livre. You choose a book. Il réfléchit à son avenir. Il réfléchit à son avenir. He thinks about his future. Elle réussit à son examen. Elle réussit à son examen. She passes her exam. Nous agissons rapidement. Nous agissons rapidement. We act quickly. Vous obéissez à vos parents. Vous obéissez à vos parents. You obey your parents. Ils punissent les élèves. Ils punissent les élèves. They punish the student. Ils remplissent mon verre. Je remplis mon verre. I fill my glass. Tu applaudis le spectacle. Tu applaudis le spectacle. You applaudis show. Elles attendent mon cœur. It is time to test our knowledge. Are you ready? Alright, number 1. Je dash mes devoirs. A fini. B fini. C finissons. D finissez. What is the answer? The answer is A, fini. The one that ends with IS. The next one is tu dash une belle robe. A, choisis. B, choisis. C, choisissez. D, choisis. What is your answer? The answer here is B, choisis. Il dash très vite. Il dash très vite. A, guérison. B, guérissez. C, guérit. D, guérit. What is the answer? The answer is C. Number 4. Nous dash à l'approche du feu rouge. Nous dash à l'approche du feu rouge. A, ralentit. B, ralentissons. C, ralentit. D, ralentisse. What is your answer? The answer is B, ralentissons. Number 5. Vous dash trop réfléchir. Vous dash trop réfléchir. A, réfléchisse. B, réfléchis. C, réfléchis. D, réfléchissez. What is your answer? The answer is D, réfléchissez. Number 6. Elle dash vite. Grandit. A, grandit. B, grandit. C, grandisse. D, grandissons. What is the answer? The answer is C, grandissent, the plural form of elle. Number 7. On dash une nouvelle maison. On dash une nouvelle maison. A, bâtit. B, bâtissons. C, bâtisse. D, bâtit. What is your answer? The answer is A. Number 8. Les enfants dash à leurs parents. A, obéit. C, obéissons. C, obéit. D, obéissent. What is your answer? The answer is D. Number 9. Tu dash ton chien. A, punit. B, punit. C, punissez. D, punisse. So what is the answer? The subject here is tu. So the answer is B. The last question. Je dash après les vacances. A, grossit. B, grossit. C, grossisse. D, grossissez. What is your answer for this final question? The answer is B. So that is all for the objective. So what do you get? You can put it in the comments. C'est fini. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you found this video helpful. Remember, we talk about second group verb in present tense. Remember to keep practicing. By doing so, you master this verb and you'll be able to speak, to express yourself, and to write French effectively. Please don't forget to comment, to subscribe, and to share. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comments. Au revoir, à bientôt.